So I was watching this show Dark, and then there was something which I felt was very exciting. Other than the time travel, it's the nuclear power plant which was very fascinating to watch all the time. All the mysterious activities taking place over there kinda made me look deep into it. Turns out, it is really interesting. So I felt why not share the information with you, and here I am. In this video, we're gonna go through some impressive stuff you're gonna like about nuclear power plants, from how it works, to available resources, to the greatest of disasters. Starting with the basics. A nuclear power plant, in brief, is a power station where electricity is generated using the radioactive elements. The rotation of a turbine in the presence of magnetic field is what it takes to generate electricity. Coming again, all it takes is a turbine to rotate in the presence of magnetic field. This turbine rotates due to wind and generates electricity. And in this case, dropping of water from a great height leads to rotation of water turbine, resulting in generating hydroelectricity. On the other hand, thermal power stations use steam for rotation of turbine, and that steam is produced in different ways. Coal is used as a fuel to generate steam in the majority of cases. Coming back to nuclear power plants, nuclear power stations use radioactive elements like uranium-235 and plutonium as a source of fuel. Especially radioactive elements, and more specifically uranium-235 and plutonium, because they have a special feature. A special feature in which protons and neutrons are tightly packed inside the nucleus. Imagine yourself carrying a handful of books, and then your friend comes and adds another one to the bunch. As a result, you end up dropping them because of pressure. Similarly, the tightly packed protons and neutrons inside the nucleus, when hit by another neutron, by using specific artificial mechanism, ends up by exploding due to pressure created inside the nucleus. During this process of explosion, huge amounts of energy will be released, and that released energy is used in producing steam. So this is how electricity is produced in a nuclear power plant. This is basically a shortened version, but if you want to know more in detail about the energy production, click on the About tag. %18 was the highest recorded percentage of electricity generated through nuclear power plants, which was recorded in 1996, and now it is down to 10%. The major reason for the decline in nuclear power plants is the strong public opposition. Whenever there is a proposal of establishing a nuclear power plant, you see a bunch of people protesting. It is twice as reliable as coal, it does not need any high sort of maintenance, environmental issues like carbon emitting is not at all an issue. Despite all these modern day greatest advantages, there is one strongest disadvantage which is creating resistance among the public, and that is safety. Safety has always been a nightmare in the case of nuclear power plants. Adding up to a certain extent, it is totally worth fighting for safety after witnessing the historic Chernobyl disaster. Chernobyl is a Ukrainian city that has its own history written by itself, which will never be forgotten. It has been a venue to one of the most advanced and powerful nuclear plants in the 80s, but after 26th April 1986, it completely changed the identity of nuclear energy after a historic disaster struck, not for just the Ukrainians or Russians, but for the whole world. This accident led to exposure of anonymous radiation, which was horrific. The WHO estimates that 4,000 people have or will die due to the Chernobyl disaster. This includes the death of 31 people as a direct result of the disaster, and the rest are expected to die at a later date from cancer due to radiation exposure. And now, it's a completely abandoned ghosted town, animals taking over. So this is a case of how an accident completely changed the fate and course of a scientific marvel. If you are interested to know more about the Chernobyl disaster, I suggest you to watch this HBO Max original mini-series Chernobyl. It's also available on Disney Plus Hotstar. Trust me, it is totally worth watching. It's a complete thriller genre.
You are dealing with something that has never occurred on this planet before.
If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, do subscribe and don't forget to share the video.